Boom! Dow up 193 points. My name's D7 here at Grok Trade, Wednesday, April 13th, 2016. Check this out. All major moving averages up over 1%, with small caps up more than 2%. Banks up nearly 3%. That's huge. Financials up more than 2%, supporting this big bullish move we've seen. US dollar, that's even with the US dollar up almost 0.5%. Unbelievable to see the dollar that strong against a big bullish run that we had today in the markets. Crude oil down by more than 1%, which doesn't surprise me after the boom that we've had the last couple days. Gold down 1%, silver up a fraction, and VIX, fear dropping 5%. And check this move out, guys. This is crazy. Because if we go back, let me march you back a little bit here. We had this beautiful run, up, up, up. But the trajectory obviously was rolling over, and we're really rolling over. And usually that'd be indicative of a downtrend or at least a sideways trend. But no, not in this market, because it will never go down. That is sarcasm. We had a big pop, big gap up, boom, and then a run up, 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 up. Now, gang, this is just monstrous. Remember, go full screen down here in the bottom. Right hand corner, click full screen and make this dude high definition to really see it. These lines I've had in, right? So we have this line coming across support. We bust through this resistance and we stalled at that resistance. And that's at 208 mark. Let's go back and see where that 208. That's this line right here. That brings us right there. And we just pause right there. A huge area of resistance coming up right here, and I think we're going to tag it tomorrow. I personally think we're going to get to this area. We're going to go higher tomorrow on Thursday. And this line, though, look at this. This goes back to May 2015. May 2015 brings us here. July 2015 goes here. This is November 2015. Then we get into December of 2015. That blue trend line comes over, and that's what we're going to contend with very soon if the markets continue bullish. NASDAQ, boom, up, up, and away. I said it looked like it was going to get bullish. We got this little bull pullback, and it looks like it could go higher, and sure enough, that's exactly what it has done. And I like that it's closing at a high. We haven't seen this high since, let me put in a line, bring this higher. Last time we've seen this high this puts us December. We haven't been this high since December 2015. So this is the highest close that we've seen this year. Let me go back. Same thing with the S&P 500. Same thing. Small caps. Oh, man, look at this. This is a very interesting chart. I'm looking down here at the MACD. We're starting to cross over this area. It just shows how hugely bullish this is. This is going against all the norms at this moment. Resistance drop, resistance drop, resistance drop. Up, we break this resistance. Look at this. I got to get rid of this right here. We break through this. And this line that we have, support, support, broken, now should be resistance. It closed above that. We have the falling 200-day moving average coming down. It should act as resistance. We have big volume today. I think we're going to get a pop tomorrow. I just see that coming. Banks, look at this. It broke this resistance. Boom, to the upside. It's looking very, very strong. Financials, boom, again to the upside. Highest close on financials since almost the year. Whoa, I need to confirm that actually. Confirm that. So let's put this in right there. So we got that close. So last time we were here, January, beginning of the year, right at the beginning of the year, since we've seen this high. Looking very solid. I'm going to US dollar first, US dollar, because that is a big run. Here we are. Look at this. I keep calling for the U.S. dollar to go higher, and it's going to happen here. I can see it. This is the best technical analysis. I mean, look at this. We've been following this. Look at this, the tightening of this falling wedge. This dude's in trouble. Or let me say, it's not in trouble. It's poised to go higher. If you're bearish on this, you're in trouble. But look at this, resistance. We're at this area. This looks like it's ready to explode to the upside. U.S. dollar looking to get very strong here, and that's going to play havoc. That's not going to do well for the markets. Let's go to crude oil. We had a little stutter step here. Almost a tweezer top. This is a daily chart. And we're coming to a resistance area on this, so let me see. Yeah, so I'm going to say there's a pretty good chance at this moment that we are going to, I'm going to say we're looking to go down here on crude oil. Called a buy here, looking to go down. Gold is dropping. Looking for a bull pullback, maybe to this area. Actually, this line doesn't make a whole lot of sense anymore. It's gone. Get a little bull pullback. Look for a buy opportunity. Silver up. I'm just waiting for a little pullback, and wait for a buy opportunity. But wow, we got up over this resistance area. We started to go below it, but we closed above it. Man, it's looking very, very strong. VIX daily. This is the fear dropping. But we have big time support coming right there. We're almost at that support level. So this, I think we're going to get a pop tomorrow, and it might be short-lived though. That pop, and then we could start to go bearish on Friday, or to be a nothing down Friday, and then we looking for a drawdown going into next week. But man, next 2 days the markets will tell us quite a bit. But what an interesting market that we've been in here. So anyway, we're starting to wrap things up here. Last chance. Go to grok.com, click on Trading Mentor, watch the video, fill out the form, just talk to us, have a discussion with us about mentoring and what that could do for your business, your trading business. Now hear what I'm saying here. What would it do for your business if you had us as your mentors? Think about it. Catch you later.